I'm David Charvet with Charvet Classic Cars. Today we're inside of a 1960 Corvette, and we're going to take you for a ride and tell you a little bit about it. This car had one owner for over 30 years. The car is showing 45,400 plus miles, and we are told that that's original mileage on this car, so it's always been taken care of. It's never been abused. This car is equipped with the Corvette 283 cubic inch V8, 270 horsepower. It really moves. When you combine that V8 engine with the 4-speed manual transmission, it's a great car to drive. Again, this car was beautifully taken care of. The interior is absolutely gorgeous in the car. It was replaced. And the car just handles nicely, drives nicely, and it's everything you'd want in a Corvette. This is a great car to take on a leisurely tour, or if you want to go out and burn some rubber, you can do that as well. If you have any questions about this Corvette, feel free to give me a call at 503-309-7729, or find us online at charvetclassiccars.com. I'm David Charvet. Thanks for watching.